Deep within Death Valley National Park lies a place of captivating mystery. This vast expanse of arid land, known for its extreme conditions and stark beauty, holds secrets that have intrigued scientists and adventurers for decades. This is Racetrack Playa, a dry lakebed baked by the relentless desert sun. The playa stretches out like a vast, cracked canvas, its surface a testament to the harsh environment that shapes it. Here, scattered across the cracked earth, are the sailing stones. These enigmatic rocks, seemingly ordinary at first glance, hold within them a mystery that has puzzled observers for generations. These rocks, some weighing hundreds of pounds, seem to move on their own. Despite their weight and the flat, dry surface of the playa, they leave behind trails that suggest movement. They leave behind long, etched trails in the hard clay surface. These trails, some straight and others winding, tell a story of movement that defies easy explanation. A silent journey, a geological enigma. These stones have puzzled and fascinated visitors for generations. As the sun sets over the playa, casting long shadows and painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, the stones stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time. The harsh environment of Racetrack Playa adds to the intrigue. Dust storms sweep across the landscape, and the arid conditions create an atmosphere of desolation and mystery. This is one of the hottest and driest places on Earth. Temperatures can soar to unbearable levels, and the heat waves rising from the ground create a shimmering mirage that distorts the horizon. Rainfall is scarce, and temperatures can soar to unbearable levels. The sparse vegetation that manages to survive here is a testament to the resilience of life in such extreme conditions. Yet, these seemingly immovable objects manage to travel across the playa. The movement of the stones, though slow and imperceptible to the naked eye, is a phenomenon that has captured the imagination of many. They leave their mark on the landscape as if guided by an unseen hand. The trails they carve into the hard clay surface are a testament to their mysterious journey. The question of their movement has haunted scientists and amateur sleuths alike. Over the years, numerous theories have been proposed, ranging from the plausible to the fantastical, turning Racetrack Playa into a place of enduring fascination. Visitors from around the world come to witness this natural wonder, drawn by the allure of the unknown and the promise of uncovering a piece of the Earth's hidden history. In recent years, advances in technology have allowed scientists to study the stones more closely. High-resolution cameras and GPS tracking devices have been deployed to monitor their movements, providing new insights into this age-old mystery. The prevailing theory now suggests that a combination of factors, including thin layers of ice and strong winds, may be responsible for the stone's movement. When conditions are just right, the ice forms beneath the stones, allowing them to glide across the playa with the help of the wind. Despite these scientific advancements, the magic of Racetrack Playa remains. The sight of these stones, seemingly moving of their own accord, continues to inspire awe and wonder in all who visit. As the day draws to a close and the sun dips below the horizon, the playa is bathed in a golden light. The stones, with their long shadows stretching out behind them, stand as silent sentinels in this timeless landscape. Under the vast star-studded sky, Racetrack Playa transforms into a place of quiet reflection. The mysteries of the sailing stones, though perhaps partially explained, continue to captivate the human spirit, reminding us of the enduring power of nature's wonders. For decades, the sailing stones of Racetrack Playa were an enigma. These stones, some weighing hundreds of pounds, seem to move on their own, leaving long trails behind them on the dry lakebed. Shrouded in speculation, the lack of eyewitnesses to their movement only deepened the mystery. The stones would sit still for years, and then, inexplicably, they would move, sometimes in straight lines, other times in zigzags or curves. Numerous theories emerged, attempting to explain the phenomenon. Scientists, adventurers and curious minds alike were drawn to this puzzle, each offering their own explanations. Some suggested powerful winds as the driving force, pushing the rocks across the slick, wet surface of the playa after rare rain. The idea was that when the playa was wet, it became slippery enough for the wind to move the stones. Others proposed that thin sheets of ice, forming on the playa during cold spells, might trap the rocks. These sheets of ice would then melt and break apart, allowing the stones to slide across the surface. They envisioned the ice acting like rafts, carrying the stones across the playa as the wind blew. This theory gained traction because it explained how even the heaviest stones could move without leaving deep tracks. More imaginative theories even ventured into the realm of the paranormal. Some people believed that the stones were moved by magnetic fields, suggesting that the Earth's magnetic forces were at play. Others whispered of extraterrestrial intervention, attributing the movement to forces beyond our understanding. They imagined that aliens were conducting experiments or leaving messages through the movement of the stones. The isolation of Racetrack Playa, with its otherworldly landscape and eerie silence, only fueled these speculations. The vast empty expanse of the playa seemed like the perfect setting for mysterious and unexplained phenomena. The stones, with their mysterious trails, became a blank canvas onto which people projected their own interpretations of the unknown. Each trail told a story, and each story was a reflection of the human desire to understand the world around us. In recent years, modern technology has provided some answers. Time-lapse cameras and GPS tracking have captured the movement of the stones, revealing that a combination of wind, ice, and water is responsible for their journeys. These tools have shown that during the winter, when the playa is covered in a thin layer of water and temperatures drop low enough for ice to form, the stones can move. The ice sheets break up under the force of the wind, pushing the stones along the slippery surface. While the mystery of the sailing stones has been largely solved, the fascination remains. The playa continues to draw visitors, eager to witness the phenomenon for themselves and to marvel at the natural forces at work. The sailing stones of Racetrack Playa remind us that even in the age of technology, there are still wonders in the world that capture our imagination and inspire us to explore and discover. As we continue to study and learn, the stones stand as a testament to the enduring power of nature and the endless curiosity of the human spirit. Theories of old may give way to new understandings, but the allure of the unknown will always beckon us to look closer, to question and to seek the truth. For years, the mystery of the sailing stones endured, captivating the imaginations of all who encountered them. These stones, seemingly defying the laws of physics, left long trails across the dry lakebed of Racetrack Playa in Death Valley National Park. The phenomenon puzzled scientists and lay people alike, leading to numerous theories and speculations. Some believed it was the work of supernatural forces, while others thought it might be the result of magnetic fields or even pranksters moving the stones at night. Despite the many hypotheses, the true cause remained elusive, adding to the allure and mystique of these wandering rocks. Then in 2014, a team of dedicated researchers finally unraveled the secret behind the stone's movement. This team, composed of geologists, physicists and engineers, embarked on a mission to solve the decades-old mystery. They brought with them an array of advanced equipment, including high-resolution GPS devices and time-lapse cameras determined to capture the stones in motion. Their goal was to observe and document the exact conditions under which the stones moved, hoping to find a pattern or trigger that could explain this natural enigma. Using sophisticated GPS technology and time-lapse photography, they observed the stones in action. The GPS devices were capable of tracking the stones' positions with pinpoint accuracy, while the time-lapse cameras provided a continuous visual record of their movements. Over several months, the researchers monitored the stones day and night through various weather conditions, patiently waiting for the moment when the stones would begin their mysterious journey across the playa. This groundbreaking research revealed the unique combination of natural forces responsible for the phenomenon. The team discovered that the stones moved when a rare set of conditions aligned perfectly. First, a thin layer of water had to cover the playa, which would then freeze overnight, forming a sheet of ice. As the sun rose and temperatures increased, the ice began to melt and break into large floating panels. These ice panels, driven by light winds, gently pushed the stones across the slippery, wet surface of the playa, leaving behind the characteristic trails. The researchers discovered that the movement occurred during a specific set of conditions, a rare confluence of events that only happens every few years. This delicate balance of water, ice and wind was essential for the stones to move. Without any one of these elements, the stones would remain stationary. The rarity of these conditions explained why the phenomenon had been so difficult to observe and document in the past. It was a fleeting event, occurring only under the most precise circumstances, making it a true marvel of nature. This revelation marked a turning point in our understanding of this natural wonder. The scientific community celebrated the discovery, as it provided a concrete explanation for a mystery that had persisted for generations. The findings were published in several scientific journals, and the researchers presented their work at conferences around the world. Their success demonstrated the power of modern technology and collaborative effort in solving even the most perplexing natural phenomena. It replaced decades of speculation with scientific observation and brought us closer to comprehending the intricate workings of Racetrack Playa. The study not only solved the mystery of the sailing stones, but also highlighted the importance of patience, perseverance, and innovation in scientific research. It showed that with the right tools and a dedicated team, even the most enigmatic natural events could be understood and appreciated. The solution, though scientific, did not diminish the magic of the stones, but rather enhanced it, revealing the elegant complexity of the natural world. Understanding the precise conditions that led to the stones' movement added a new layer of wonder to the phenomenon. It reminded us that nature, in all its complexity, still holds many secrets waiting to be discovered. The sailing stones of Racetrack Playa continue to inspire awe and curiosity, now with the added beauty of knowing the delicate dance of natural forces that set them in motion.